Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in the last video, I told you guys how we can downgrade the firmware on our DJI MINI 2 from the latest version to the older version. So if you haven't watched that video, then please do check out that video first, because without downgrading, we will not be able to apply this hack. So in this video, I'll be telling you guys, after downgrading our DJI MINI 2, how we can apply the NFZ certificate or the back button pressing method from the Dronehacks and make our drone permanently hack from 15 meters to 500 meters. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video guys. So guys, firstly, to apply the hack, we would require the latest version of the Dronehacks software on our laptop or the PC. So to download this, we have to visit the Dronehacks website, and I'll be mentioning the link in the description so that you can directly visit this website. And once you visit here, when you go on the home, when you click on what's new, here you can see that this new version supports hack on Mini 2. So with this latest version, we will be able to hack our DJI MINI 2, but there is a condition applied to apply this hack. So guys, when you scroll down, you can see here, we can apply the hack on our DJI MINI 2 only if our aircraft firmware is on version 01.06.02. So to apply this hack, we have to downgrade our firmware on our DJI MINI 2, then you will be able to apply the NFZ certificate and the back button pressing method. So it's mandatory to downgrade your DJI MINI 2. I'll be mentioning the link in the description as well as in the comment section, so you can follow that video and get the entire process how you can downgrade your DJI MINI 2 to the older version. So guys, once you click on download on this page, you will be redirected to the latest version of the Dronehacks application. So the latest version is 1.33. So make sure you're downloading the latest version. The older version will not be able to hack your DJI MINI 2. So make sure you're downloading the latest version, and once the download is completed, you open the Dronehacks software on your system. On the screen you can see that Dronehacks version is 1.33. Now let me tell you guys how we can connect our drone to our laptop. So firstly, you guys have to turn on your drone, and after hearing the first beep, you have to plug your cable to your laptop as well as your drone. So guys, once the connection process is completed, your laptop will take few seconds to detect your drone, and once the detection is completed, then you'll start seeing a green solid bar on your Dronehacks software. So that means your drone is completely connected with your laptop and we are ready to hack our drone. So when we click on hack, you will see here that exploit will be only available with the valid license. So to do this hack, you have to purchase the license, and if you don't know how to purchase the license, then I'll be adding the link in the comment section as well as on the description. So you can check out the detailed video how you can purchase the Dronehacks license and how you can apply the discount to get the license. So once you purchase the license will be linked with your email address and you will be setting up the password. So the same email address and the password has to be used here, and click on the login. So once the login is completed, you'll start seeing this kind of interface on the Dronehacks software. So first column says you that you will be able to hack your signal strength, and second column says that with this particular hack you will be able to use the back button pressing method and you will be able to bypass the 15 meters whenever you press the back button. So if you want to check out the detailed on this video, then I'll be mentioning that as well on the I button and in the description. So here another option is we get the NFZ certificate application. So once we click on hack NFZ certificate, then Dronehacks starts applying the NFZ certificate on your drone. So while applying, your drone will be restarting 2 times. So you have to stay back and hold on for few seconds till the NFZ certificate is completely applied on your drone. So while doing this hack, make sure your connection is completely stable and your drone battery is more than 60%. So don't let your drone get disconnected, and don't even touch the drone during this hack, and even don't touch your laptop as well as even your RC. So stay back and hold on for few seconds. Once the hack is completely applied on your drone, you will start seeing a pop-up message saying that the hack has been completely applied on your drone. So as you can see on the screen now, the hack has been completely applied, and never upgrade the firmware on your drone to make sure that NFZ certificate is always active on your drone. So okay, then we click on OK, and here is the pop-up message saying that hack certificate installed. So once we click on OK, then that's done. The NFZ certificate has been applied on your drone, and we are ready to fly our drone more than 15 meters. So guys, once the hack is completely applied, you can unplug the cable from your drone, and now I will open the DJI Fly app to see whether the NFZ certificate is active on our DJI Fly app. So here I am opening the DJI Fly app. So once the DJI Fly app is open, you can go to the settings, and here in the max altitude you can see that it is still stuck to 15 meters, and we have to scroll down and go to the unlock geozone. So once you click on unlock geozone, you have to click on aircraft unlocking license, and here you will see that license has been active. So here you can also see the validity of the license. So the validity is starting from 2020-01-14. The license goes up to 2030. That means we get 10 years of validity of this license on our DJI Mini 2, and we will be able to use this license. But guys, if you upgrade your firmware on your DJI Mini 2, then there is a chance that your certificate will be disabled and you will not be able to use this NFZ certificate anymore. Then you have to again downgrade or do all the process to get this certificate on your DJI Fly app, and then you will be able to use this NFZ certificate. So what I would recommend is don't upgrade your firmware until and unless I let you know, guys, on my YouTube channel. I'll be always updating the new firmware and new DJI Fly app upgrades on my YouTube channel. So keep in touch and subscribe to the channel so that you will get a timely updates about the new firmwares, new FlySafe database, and new DJI Fly app versions. So on that basis, you will get to know what's new in that particular firmware or the new version, and you'll also be able to get the confirmation whether the hack is working fine after the upgrade or not. So guys, now I have took my drone outdoor, and here you can see that we cannot adjust the auto RTH, but in fact the auto RTH will work at whatever distance you are, at whatever height you are. So here you can see that the certificate is enabled. So if we click on the certificate, you can see that we are in some other location. That means this is using the peak GPS location for our drone to bypass the 15 meters limit. So now let's take off our drone and see whether we will be able to fly our drone more than 15 meters or not. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we are able to fly our DJI Mini 2 more than 15 meters with the NFZ certificate. In fact, even if it is showing 15 meters as a max altitude, but with the NFZ certificate, we will be able to fly our drone at any desired height. And guys, this hack is going to be permanent. You don't have to apply this hack every time. Once the certificate is active, you can fly your drone whenever you turn on. So you can see on the screen, we are even able to exceed 120 meters without any issues. So guys, I have tested RTH, quick shots, and all the panorama photos, everything is working fine with this NFZ certificate, even with the back button pressing method. I feel more convenient with the NFZ certificate, so I have used NFZ certificate in this video, but even back button pressing method is working totally fine. If you guys feel that back button pressing method is more convenient, then you can use that. I'll be adding the detailed video of back button pressing method in the description as well as in the comment section, so you guys can follow that and use the back button pressing method. So guys, we should be happy that we again received the permanent hack on our DJI Mini 2 to fly our drone more than 15 meters. So if you guys have any questions or any confusions related to the hack, please do let me know in the comment section. I will surely answer all of your queries.
So guys, firstly you have to downgrade your DJI Mini 2 from 1.07 to 1.06. If your drone is already running on 1.06 firmware, then no need to downgrade. So once downgrade is completed, then you have to log in to your Dronehacks account. If you don't have the account, then you have to purchase the license, use the coupon code that's mentioned in the description to get the 10% discount. Once you get the license, you download the Dronehacks software, and there you have to log in and connect your drone with your PC and apply the NFZ certificate or the back button pressing method. Once that's done, your drone will be free up to fly up to 500 meters. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.